Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In today's video we're doing the day trading recap for August the 4th. And you can see we have done quite well today. Actually, ignore though the $162 on AGFY. That was an accidental swing trade, so we're not considering it within this trade today, and we're only looking at AGFY because that's the only actual day trade we took today. So we're probably actually we're at $417, so closer to about 1.1% on the account. But we can get straight into the actual trade we looked at, and this is kind of a great example because this is what I would call an A quality setup, but this is my most ideal setup I could ever look for. And that's because we can get great risk to reward on these kind of trades. So obviously market opens, we break up, can't short these moves, which there probably wasn't a bad thing because it probably would have been losers. So we're either waiting for it to come up to this 25.50 level to short this. Actually, I think it was short, I just didn't short this. I don't tend to short the first 5 minutes or trade the first 5 minutes because you get the extreme movements. So most of the time you would get stopped out, especially with the tightest stops. But yeah, if it came up to the 25.50, it would have been a good short area because it would have been the first time it hits the 4th deviation on the daily chart. But we are more waiting as well for the long move as it comes and bounces off the 2nd deviation on the 4 hour. And as you can see, we basically got a pinpoint accuracy on this. It went down by roughly 2 cents below our entry, but the reason I call this a picture perfect or like a quality setup is because our entries at this 1960 level. We then have yesterday's close at this 1950, and then yesterday's close at 1945, this grey line, and yesterday's high at 1955. Which are right below our entries, which is great because these will be key levels that we are looking for bounces off, and it would be very unlikely for it to break down below these levels, especially the first time testing it. So it meant we could have a much tighter stop than we would on a $19 stock. Usually we would use all our 30 cents, but on this one I think we ended up using 20 cents. Our stop, if we're getting in at 63, I believe our stop was at 38 or 39, so 25 cents. So that 5 cents does make quite a big difference, as that is about 10-15% of the actual stop loss. So it does make definitely a big difference. And we looked in around 300 shares coming into this a 1-to-1 risk to reward, which was a 9 EMA. We've then moved it to a break even stop. Then our next profit target was 20.35. You can see that we're getting a bit above that 2-to-1 risk to reward. Actually, that's near enough a 3-to-1 or a 2.5-to-1 risk to reward. And then the next target we were looking at was 21.20 right by VWAP. However, it didn't quite get it to there, and I wanted to stop out once we broke below the 20, because most likely then we would either consolidate for a while or continue the downtrend. So yeah, we got stopped out right here, and as you can kind of see, it does probably look like we're gonna consolidate, and we may end up getting like a bull flag kind of breakout of here, or bullish pennant. Probably, but I don't want to be in the trade forever, especially as I'll be heading out in about 5 minutes. But that is the A quality setup we're looking at. If you're in the Discord, actually I posted it all here. They're the entries, the chart. Obviously that's what we're looking at now. And I think that was really the main thing today. We didn't take any swing trades today, or didn't get out of any swing trades. We didn't enter any new positions or get out of any positions today on the swing accounts, so we'll not be posting a swing trading recap today unless one of them are automated while I'm out, but I don't even know if I got any automated orders out. Don't believe I do. I might have one out actually. But yeah, I mean that's it. AGFY, great trade, big winner, so that's good to see. And yeah, I guess that's really it. The only other thing actually I will quickly go over is the ticker HOOD, which is Robinhood. This had some crazy movements today. It didn't really move until market open. That was the weird thing about it. Then it just absolutely went crazy. Got halted 2 times. First time we were up around 20%, got halted, and then I think it got re-halted, but I don't exactly know where. But either way, ended up coming all the way up to $85 before kind of coming back down now to around the 60 mark. I did actually have some of this in, I think, the investment account. I did actually end up selling it because I bought it when it was quite low. I think I bought it around that 33, 34 area. Looking more just to hold it more long term. Didn't have massive size because obviously usually IPOs come out and they get quite weak for like the first few months, so I didn't really want to go in with too big of size. Had a bit of size though, and kind of just locked them in. I think it was around the 77 mark. I did post it in the Discord actually. But going to lock in profits now. So when did I say that? Yeah, around that 74 level, because I said it in the Discord as I was doing it. So yeah, I mean that was crazy movement on Hood. Good to see, I guess. But yeah, so I'll probably look to maybe re-enter with a bit of size again on Robinhood once we come down to maybe like the $30 level. I think 30 is where I'll be looking to get in, because I do think we'll come back down to these levels. I do believe Robinhood will be a good stock over time, but like most IPOs, it will come down. I mean, any stock like Facebook and all that, they did not do great coming out of IPOs. Most stocks never do. So something I'll be looking at when we can get a lower price on it. But that's it, yeah, for the trading recap. A main trade on AGFY, bit of Hood analysis, and that's about it. Market was kind of slow today. Nothing crazy movements. We have quite a few alerts out. Nothing was really triggered. Hood and AGFY were the only ones triggered so far. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, drop a like. If you didn't like it, drop a dislike. If you enjoyed the video as well, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go in the description if you want to check out the Discord, free to join and all of that. And I guess that's it. So hopefully see you in tomorrow's video, and that's it. Peace.